Today I'm gonna teach you how and tell you how the Mitolyn can really help you guys to lose weight and shed those extra pounds. I know that if you're here in this video, you're probably looking for something that can help you or already looking for more information about the Mitolyn. So you're on the right video. I'm here to share with you everything you need to know, but also an important alert that you must know before actually purchase it. Okay, guys? But I already left you the link for the official website in the description of this video. So after watching this video until the end, if you still want to know more information about it, really decide to purchase it, the link will be left just below. But first, listen what I have to tell you. It's really important. While Mitolyn is a dietary supplement designed to support your weight management and in a natural and healthy way. That's because inside of its formula, there is only natural ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, proteins. So it's a very powerful blend of natural ingredients that together they will boost the production of mitochondria in your gut and organism. Because if you don't know, guys, this is the main cause of people that are not being able to lose weight. And you don't have the enough amount of mitochondria, your body starts to accumulate fat. That's because the mitochondria, they are responsible for turning the fat into energy and not into carbs, all right? So the Mitolyn is here to help you with that. This blend of natural ingredients will go to the root cause of your problem, which is just this, boosting the production of the mitochondria. So finally, you will be able to lose weight, guys, to shed those extra pounds in a healthy and natural way. But not just that. As it is completely natural, you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. And also, inside of the formula, there are some other vitamins, nutrients that will work in your overall health, immune system, energy levels, everything. There are only benefits for you, guys. If you want to start a new life, a healthier life, losing weight in a healthy way, the Mitolyn is here to help you. All you got to do is take it every single day, of course, to see these results, okay? Otherwise, you won't see any and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment with that is of 3 months, but I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective result you are looking for. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers you a money-back guarantee so you can actually test it, and if you don't like or don't see results, they will return 100% of your money back, so you will literally have nothing to lose here. I just have one alert to share with you, which is where you're going to buy the Mitolyn because it is only sold on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with this information. That's why I left you the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can get it from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. Also, on the official website is a place you can check out the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product, so go now and check it out.